Yes, I hope you all will be fine. In this video series, we are going to create Shopify dropshipping store in which we will create the dropshipping store and will connect it with AliExpress and will import the products from AliExpress. So in this video, we will install our theme which we want to use, and then we will apply the different pages in header and footer, and also we will add the logo, and after that we will go through and we'll connect our store with drop shipping like AliExpress. And currently I am present on my Shopify dashboard, and you can see here. And the first thing we require to click on this one like online store. And you will see the page where different options to manage our online store, like the actions and the customize option, and then also the option like to pick the theme, upload theme file, as well as download the theme file. And you will see a lot of options on this page, and it is loading. And you will see here, yes, you can see currently our store is password protected, and we also uh, will discuss that how we can remove this password protected from here. And here you can see the themes. We can use the free theme as well as Shopify theme store. So let's revisit the Shopify theme store. It will navigate to the page where a lot of themes, paid and free themes versions will be available. And you can see here it will be the 6-page result. And you can see the different themes available, as well as the free, as you can see the paid theme as well. And also the free like venture, minimal, supply, and you also can see the number of styles available. Here in venture, you can see the 3 styles and the supply free version, and you can see the 2 styles. And similarly, you can visit the demo of any individual, and also you can see here it is the 4 style, and it is not free to use. You can see here we required to get this theme by paid 180. So when it's load the themes completely, then we will discuss that how we can add the theme into our site. And it is also free. You can see here, but it has the 2 styles only. And we will move to the theme, which here you can see it is a little bit looking more accurate, and it's also free version. And let's click on it one like venture. Here the option like view demo as well as add theme. So first we will look at the view demo of this theme. And here at the top you can see the demo on your PC, laptops, as well as you can see the theme demo on the mobile view as well. And it is loading, and you can see here the different options, the different collections, and then there will be the sub collections like drop down menus available. And we will see it clearly. And let's suppose end user click on, and you can see here the sub menus also available. And here you can see. And here also you can see the different collections will come just like this. And I think we required to use, we must use this if we are in free. And you also can add the other as well, which maybe a paid or free themes you can use. We also can see here the footer. It's also well designed. And then let's suppose add theme. And it will add the theme in our Shopify. And within few minutes, you will see the themes added in our account, which we have created in Shopify. Then definitely we will customize, and today we will add some legal pages, as well as we will add the other important pages of our store. And also we will discuss that how we can remove this like password protected from our store. So you can see here you're successfully added venture, and you also can see the customized theme option here, as well as you can see the customized theme option as well here. You can see here. So how you can find out which theme you are using. Currently, you can see that just add it, and you require to customize it. When you will click on customize, you will see the options to customize the theme, which we have added recently. And this will be the theme, and we require to design it. You can see when we were present at demo, there were a lot of collections, but here just catalog available, and we will create all from scratch. We will design it professionally from scratch to professional store, and it is my online project, and we will work on it. And let's suppose we want to add the pages here, like about us, contact us, and let's see how we can add these pages. So let's come back, and we require to click on here pages, and you will see the option here add page, as well as you can see here add page. When you will click, you just require to click on it, and you can see here you can add the title of page. Here there will be the description, and you can align the description bold. You can see you can add the image as well. Table insert, you can insert the table. You also can insert the videos, but it's depend on the your themes version. Some free themes not allowed to insert videos, and also you can edit the website SEO. And at the end, we will see that how we can actually basically apply the basic SEO to our store. So let's suppose I write here, this will be our about us page. And let's suppose I bold this, and I also can change the color. You can see here. So when I will add the title, and also add the content, then just required to hit the save option. The page will be saved. And after that, we add one more page here, like the contact us page. And again, click on page. And now this time I will click on here, add page option. And I will add with the page name like contact us page. And here the option like template, to select the template. I just require to click on this one. Here you can see this is the page dot contact. When I will click on it, and here I also can use the description title as well. But here this must require to pick the option page dot contact if your page is about contact us page. So I will tell you that why this was important to select option. When I will save it, now again I will move to my theme, and here it was our theme, not customized yet. I will click on it. Actually, we require to add our pages in our navigations. So require to back again. And when we have add the pages, then we require to click on navigation to show our pages in our menus, in our header and footer. We require to click on navigation. When we will click on navigation, you will see how we can add the options in our header menu as well as in our footer menu. And it is loading the page, the navigation page, where we will see the different menu options. Here you can see the footer menu as well as the main menu. The main menus items will be shown in our header, and you can see here that currently there are only two, home and catalog, and in footer just the search option. So in this video, we want to show our about us and contact us page in header of your store, and just require to click on this one like main menu. When we will click on main menu, you can see here the option like add menu item. We will just click on it, and we will select our page, and it is our pages, and our about us and contact us pages will be available under the pages option. And you can see here which we have added. We just require to click on, and this will be the about us page, and we require to add this. You can see here the page is added. Again, click add menu, and you can see you can write here name, and also you can pick here the page. When you will pick, it will default select the name from our page. You can see here the contact us, and you can customize the name as well. And you just require to add on. And if you want to arrange these, like if you want to catalog option after about us, you just click and drag it after home option, and you can see here. And then you must require to click on save option. And now we will move to our online store, and we will require to customize our venture theme which we added in this video. And here you can see our those pages added successfully. And when I will click on contact us, here you can see the form which we did not create it. It is form created by Shopify, because you know we added the option like contact dot page, and that was the functionality of this page. Otherwise, you can see the other page we added like about us without contact that page, and you will see it has just heading like this will be our about us page which we added. So in this video we learned that how we can add the theme, and then how we can add the pages, and then how we can add those pages in our header menu. So let's suppose now we will come to our logo, that how we can add logo here. To add logo, you can see here the option like header. You require to click on this, and here you can see the select image option and upload an image, and you require to find the image which you want to use for logo, and I will use this, and this I designed to use. And here you can see it is too much big, and we require to decrease its width as well as height. So first I will select it, and here you can see the option. When I reduce, it is 450 default. When I will pick the 350, it will minimize it, and when I will reduce it to 250, it will again minimize it, and when I will pick the 150, and you can see now it is again minimized our logo. And you also can reduce more if you want. Let's suppose we test the 80. You can see here it is too much small. And let's suppose we move to 100. So in this video, we have tested about logo as well. In the next video, we will discuss that how we can add the footer pages in our store, and then we will find out how we can remove the password protected. And you just require to also click on save option all the time when you make any change. And then also we will see that how we can add the banner in our website to show the user, like in banner you can show the offers to user. So these all things we will manage, and then we also in the next video we will add the footer pages, and after that we will move to the dropshipping, like how we can connect our store with dropshipper and how we can import the products from dropshipping. So thank you for listening, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos, and you can see and you can visit our channels, different playlists, different videos related to the technologies available in our store. And also this channel will have only information technologies video, and also videos related to job and current affairs. And thank you, and best regards for you all. Thank you.